Coming in, a crane has come down at the Port of Vancouver. We're going to go right up to Amber Belzer in Global One. Amber, you can see that you're above it there. What are you seeing?
Yes, we have this Evergreen ship that has just come into dock, and as it was coming into dock, it must have been the spot where this crane decided to crash upon. We can see that the crane arm has crashed down into a couple of these Evergreen containers here. They're really quite smashed in on the ends, and that goes about 4 containers deep on both sides of the crane. Now, you can also see that the crane arm, all the catwalking, that yellow rebar there, has also been smashed down by the uprights for the crane. And you can see the top here, that white structure is actually where the operator would be. Now, there's no one inside of it right at the moment. But you can see all the catwalking as well, really mangled and twisted in that upper area of the crane. This is a Port of Vancouver crane that is right at the north end of Clark Street, so a lot of emergency attenders are here. No police or ambulance or fire crews just yet, but you can see that a lot of the Port Authority crews are down here, including a Port Authority boat in the water. So they're taking this very seriously, obviously, with a lot of containers and a lot of people working in this area.
Yeah, Amber, good eye on the catwalk there. You can really see how mangled it is. Now, fixing heavy machinery generally means more heavy machinery is coming in to do that. Now, just going back to the crews there that are on the ground, you showed them before. Is there any sense of emergency, immediacy? Are they running around, or do they seem to be holding pretty firm?
They seem to be pretty organized down there, and just seem like they're probably making a game plan as to what to do. Obviously, they're wanting to make sure that it is safe for crews to head up there and assess the area some more. But of course, with a lot of heavy metal, the last thing they want is more damage to the structure, and no doubt also to their crew on the ground. So yeah, there's 13 vehicles down there behind caution line, and then crews also that are headed up to one of the adjacent cranes here.
Okay, good eye catching this, and you can see the area they have cordoned off. That's Amber Belzer up in Global One. Thanks, Amber.